It is early Monday evening, June 11th, 2012, and this is Vogel, Saskatchewan at mile 66.2 of the CPR's Shamrock subdivision, laid down 1923-24 from Archive to Wymark, 103.4 miles. Looking north, up Highway 19 towards the Trans-Canada Highway and the CPR main line, 30 KOA. This is all glacial lake bed in through here, rich farming soils. Looking east towards Archive. The CPR dropped off a portable station at Vogel in 1923, and they removed it, sold it off in 1973. Looking south down Highway 19 towards Hodgeville, about 5 KOA. The Saskatchewan Wheat Pool had an elevator at Vogel in 1924 right through till 1980s, was gone for the 1995 map. Vogel was never a village, never even a hamlet, didn't even have a post office. It was just a siding on the CPR from 1924 to 1990, named after local land agent Louis Albert Vogel, Vogel, Saskatchewan.